Morning, guys. Here we go. We're going live. 9:43 a.m. 9:43 a.m. 9:43 a.m. Totally awesome. Hope 22 9.8. 74 items on the list. There's our dice roll. 13 is a magic number. Good luck. And your winner will be spot 41, J.R. Wenzel. I believe that's correct. Again, it shows J.R. as your winner. 13 rounds, 13 rounds. Here is your verification code. And we'll go back to, there it goes, 13, it shows it right there. So, congratulations. And we are, before I hit that done, I'm going to show you, sorry, the timestamps, 9:45, 9:45, and 9:45 for the current load time. Come on, reset. All right, we're done.